Hello all, welcome again. Alright, so in this particular video I'm going to be talking to the lecturers on the steps for results upload and of course cost registration for the students. Alright, so as a lecturer, the moment you log into your page, this is the first thing you are going to see. Alright, so right here, these two courses you are seeing here, these are the two courses that was allocated to you as a lecturer by your head of department. So the number of courses you can see here are the number of courses allocated to you by your head of department. So if you further click on it, it's going to show you if you're taking that course for more than one department. If you're taking that course for like 3 or 4 or 1 department, that is what you're going to see in this page. So in this case, this particular lecturer is taking this course for just one department, which is the Department of Computer Science. Alright, so same for the other one. Now let's move on to registered courses. What you're doing on this registered courses page is for you to know the total number of students that have registered your courses for that semester. Alright, so just up here you can see the statistics. This is showing 2 courses, which is the 2 courses you are teaching as a lecturer, and this is 1 department, meaning for the 2 courses it is just 1 department that is taking the 2 courses. Alright, like I explained before, if it is more than 1 department, it is going to show here. And right here is the total number of students that has registered the courses for both courses. Alright, so for example, if you want to go further to know how many that has registered for each course, all you just have to do is click on each of the course. The moment you do that, you're going to see the specific number of students that has registered for each course. Now for this particular course, we can see that it is 28 students that has registered out of the 32 we saw there. So that means the remaining number of students is for the other courses. Alright, now this particular page is important to the lecturers so that in each of their classes they can encourage their students to register their courses. Now it must be made known to the students that if they do not register their courses, they will not be able to see their results at the end of this semester. So every lecturer is encouraged to encourage their students to make sure they register their courses before the examination. Alright, moving on to results. Now this is the part of result upload. So this right here is the page where you click on result like I did, and then come here to upload your result. Now you click on each of the courses for which you want to upload the results for. We'll be taking this one here, computer architecture. So the moment you do that, you come to this page, which is the department taking the course, and you click on it. Now this is what you're going to see. Up here you're going to see the title of the course, the course code, the lecturers in charge of the course, the status pending because no result has been uploaded and forwarded, and then you can see the department right here. Now this right here is the grades. Okay, so the moment you upload results in this page, that's what you're going to see in this page the moment you upload results. So if you want to check, if you want to filter by grades, you want to check how many students has A's, how many students has B's, you can check here, and you can also check marginal scores from here. Alright, so you can also see the summary of your results upload just below the page after you have uploaded the results. Okay, now the first thing you want to do when you come to this place is to click on this generate results template, which is just at the far right of the page. After generating the results template, you should go on to download the results template. Now you should read this. Don't edit any other column aside the CA and exam. I'm going to explain that. Alright, so after downloading the results template, this is exactly what you are going to see. So right here you can see that this is an already compiled sheet. Now these names you can see here are the names of the students that have registered for your courses. Now it is very important for you to know that you cannot edit these names, you cannot edit these reg numbers, you cannot edit this, you can't edit this, you cannot edit the session. The only thing that you can edit on this sheet is just the date of the exam, the CA score which you're going to add, and the exam score. That is the only thing that you can add on this sheet. Now in order for you to be able to do that, you have to first of all enable editing right here on the sheet. Okay, so as you can see, you already have your faculty, your course title, your semester, your department, your course code, and your program. just below the page you also have your result summary, and then you have the names of the lecturers taking the course and the name of your head of department. So you don't really have to do anything on this sheet aside from filling in the dates of the exam, the CA score, and the exam score. Now the moment you fill in your CA score just like this, you're gonna have your exam score automatically generated for you. You see, so that solves the problem. The total will be generated and the grade, of course. So the only thing you're putting here is your CA and your exam. That was why I said earlier that you should make sure that all your students register their courses. That is because you cannot add any other student to this list. Just imagine that I want to add something. You can see this is going to pop up because it is a protected sheet, and if peradventure you're able to tamper with this sheet by any means, it will not be uploaded on the portal. You can see that warning message right here. Tampering with this document will result to upload failure. So you're required to enter just your CA, exam, and exam date. Alright, so after doing this, of course you just have to save it, and then you go back to this page for results upload. Alright, so what you just have to do when you come here is click on results upload and then drag the file here, or you can click on this thing to select the file. Alright, after you have uploaded, you're gonna see your results right here, and then you can go on to forward to your head of department. Now it is important for you to note that the moment you click on this forward button, you can no longer edit your results, but you can edit the results if you have not yet forwarded it to the head of department. Alright, after you have uploaded the results here and you feel like there is a mistake, all you just have to do is go back to your Excel sheets, correct whatever scores you want to correct, and then re-upload it again, and then you click forward.